Slack versus Jira. Which team tool should you use? Choosing the right team collaboration tool can transform how you manage projects and communicate without wasting time. Slack focuses on messaging while Jira centers on task tracking and issue management. Slack and Jira serve different purposes in team workflows. Slack is designed for real-time communication and quick collaboration, while Jira specializes in project management, issue tracking, and workflow customization. Understanding this core difference helps pick the best fit for your team's needs. Slack is a cloud-based messaging platform built to streamline team communication. It organizes conversations into channels based on topics, projects, or departments, enabling focused discussions. Users can share files, integrate with hundreds of apps, and use direct messaging for private chats. Slack's strength lies in its intuitive interface and fast, real-time communication, which keeps teams connected and responsive. It supports voice and video calls, making remote collaboration easier. However, Slack is not a dedicated project management tool, so it lacks built-in task tracking or issue resolution features. This makes it less ideal for teams needing structured workflows or detailed progress monitoring. Slack works best for teams prioritizing open communication, quick updates, and flexible integrations without the complexity of managing tasks in the same platform. Jira is a powerful project management and issue tracking tool developed for software development and agile teams. It allows users to create, assign, and track tasks, bugs, and user stories within customizable workflows. Jira excels in providing detailed visibility into project progress, supporting sprint planning, backlog grooming, and reporting. Its strengths include robust workflow automation, scalability, and integration with development tools like Bitbucket and Confluence. Jira's interface is more complex and requires a learning curve, which can slow adoption for teams without a technical background. It is less focused on casual communication and more on structured project execution. Jira is ideal for teams that need precise control over task management, prioritization, and reporting, particularly in software development or complex project environments. Slack and Jira complement different aspects of teamwork. Slack shines in facilitating quick conversations, brainstorming, and informal updates. It's perfect for teams that value fluid communication and collaboration across departments. Jira, on the other hand, is built for managing detailed workflows, tracking issues, and delivering projects on time. It suits teams that require structured task management and deep project insights. Using Slack alone might leave gaps in task visibility, while Jira without Slack can slow down everyday communication. Many teams combine both tools to balance communication and project control. The trade-off is between Slack's simplicity and immediacy versus Jira's depth and structure, depending on whether your priority is messaging or managing complex projects. Choose Slack if your team needs fast, flexible communication and collaboration without heavy project management requirements or technical complexity. Opt for Jira when your focus is on detailed project tracking, agile workflows, and issue management. For many teams, combining Slack's communication with Jira's project control creates an efficient balance that drives productivity and clarity across all stages of work.